Hello friends, I am back with another travel documentary and this time we are going to visit Lava, Kolakham and Rishop located in the Kalimpong district. We will be watching birds, exploring the places and last but not the least, I will share my first Mount Kanchenjunga viewing experience. So pack your bags and catch the Kanchan Kanya Express from Sialda. Get a good sleep at night in the upper berth. Got a window seat? No problem. The lush green tea gardens post Aluabari Road Junction will take care of your morning. Deboard the train at New Mal Junction. Although you can also go through New Jalpaiguri, but this is the most preferred route to reach Lava. From the station, if you can manage shared transport up to Lava, then it's good enough. Otherwise, take your booked car and enjoy the road. Leaving the plains behind, you will slowly enter Gorubathan. If you have to buy something essential, then stop here and get it. After Gorubathan, the proper curvy mountain roads begin. The occasional riverbeds and tea gardens will accompany you en route. We found several areas of the road were damaged by the landslide that happened during the monsoon, so repair works were spotted in many places.
Landslide.
After about 1 hour, you will reach a place called Chel Bridge over River Chel. Here most of the people stop and have snacks. You can try the chicken momo here and you will surely love it. Cherish the 360-degree view and start for your remaining journey up to Lava. 1 hour more and you are at Lava. Entering Lava Hamlet, first you will cross the entry gate of Neora Valley National Park at your right. This road also takes you to Kolakham. After a little bit, you will see the massive lava reservoir on your left, guarded by high fences. When we reached Lava, the clouds had already wrapped the hamlet in the haze. Still, fortunate people will be welcomed by the blue-fronted redstart. Lava is situated at an elevation of about 2000 to 2100 meters. The afternoon was a bit clearer and we strolled through the Lava Bazaar and visited the nearby campus of WBFDC Lodge. We had our bookings in Yankee Resort near Lava Bazaar. The details will be in description. On the next day, our plan was to visit Kolakham for birds and the Change Falls.
চাপিয়ে দিচ্ছে, ওর ব্যাগের সাইজ ওর থেকে
Just before we take the road to Kolakham, you can see the lava monastery. Unfortunately, it was closed from the time of COVID-19 outbreak, so we proceeded further. The road to Kolakham passes through the outskirts of Neora Valley National Park. Kolakham is a good place to stay and enjoy the nature. Shangre Falls is a popular sightseeing for people visiting Kolakham and Lava. Falling from a height of 300 meters, this waterfall also created a big reservoir in the bottom. You have to do a 900 meters trek through a narrow path to reach the waterfall from the actual motorable road. The cicadas take over the sound department here, almost making the bird calls unrecognizable. However, careful inspection can give you like yellow-browed tit, lesser yellowneck, chestnut-bellied nuthatch, and butterflies like punchinello. We also saw golden-throated barbet, whiskered and rufous-vented euhenas, spotted forktail, olive-backed pipit, rufous sibia, black bulbul, striated bulbul, blue whistling thrush, rufous-winged falveta, black-eared striped babbler, black-throated parrotbill, etc. After it's over in Kolakham, we return to Lava, where a beautiful sunset was waiting for us. You can also come across many species of moths in Lava. On the third day, I woke up very early to complete birdwatching duties in the Lava. A clear weather gave me some birds like great barbet, green-backed tit, black bulbul, Rufus sevia, hill moina, white-capped redstart, green-tailed sunbird, rufous-breasted accenter, maroon-backed accenter, olive-backed pipit, dark-breasted rosefinch, chestnut-bellied rock thrush, etc. Now it's time to leave Lava and go to Rishop. From Lava, there are actually two ways to reach Rishop. From Lava, you can follow the Rishi road towards north up to 6 miles and then take Rishop road on right. This is a motorable concrete route. Another road is mainly for trekkers who likes to go Rishop by foot. This 2.5 kilometers route will offer you scenic views and forest environment. Though this road is not very suitable for cars, still many SUVs take this road because the actual motorable route is almost 4 kilometers more than this one. We took the forest road, of course. While we walked through the road, many birds came to welcome us. Fire-tail myzornis, wedge-tailed green pigeon, white-throated laughing thrush, grey-winged blackbird, striated bulbul, euhinus, etc. We also met a red-cheeked squirrel on the way. We reached Rishop at around 2 pm amidst the cloud covering. Situated at almost same elevation like Lava, Rishop is more towards rural and less developed than Lava. However, there is no shortage of essential commodities and good homestays. We stayed at Suntech Eco Resort, which is located at the lowest end of Rishop. From this homestay, you can actually see the whole Rishop hamlet. However, when you are entering Rishop, you have to come all the way down up to the lowest end. The fourth day is here, a partly cloudy morning in Rishop, and today we had plans to trek up to Tifindara, a hilltop viewpoint almost 2 kilometers hiking from Rishop. However, we reached Tifindara through the forest trail only to have cloud coverings all over. On a fine day, Mount Kanchenjunga can give a peek from here. However, our birdwatching had no stopping. Rusty-fronted birdwing, fire-tailed sunbird, olive-backed pipit, chestnut-crowned laughing thrush, rufous-capped babbler, grey tree-pie, etc. were there. We also found peregrine falcon, Rufus sevia, mountain hawk eagle, russet sparrow, oriental turtle dove, etc. on our way down to Rishop. The last day we woke up to have the clearest morning of our whole trip, and with no wonder, Mount Kanchenjunga was visible from Rishop. Although the whole range was not clear due to distant clouds, but still the peaks of Kabru, Talung, Pandim and Kanchenjunga were visible. It was my first meeting with Kanchenjunga and I hope this will continue. After a successful and memorable ending to the stay in Rishop, we head out for our return journey. The car again took that forest road to Lava, where we had our lunch, and then we descended to New Mile Junction to catch the Kanchenjunga Express. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel if you like my work. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.